Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Android before flashing with Odin safely, full guide step by step clearly. Before starting the backup process on your Android device, ensure your phone is charged above 50%. Begin by connecting your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Unlock your device and ensure that USB debugging is enabled. To enable USB debugging, go to Settings, then About Phone, and tap on build number 7 times to unlock developer options. Go back to the main settings menu and select developer options. In developer options, find and enable USB debugging. Now, install Samsung Smart Switch or Samsung Keys on your computer. Launch the software once it's installed. On Smart Switch or Keys, select the option to backup your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the backup process. This will save your apps, contacts, messages, images, and more to your computer. Once the backup is complete, safely disconnect your device from the computer. Next, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Download and install any necessary apps to back up additional data, such as SMS or photos. For SMS, consider using apps like SMS Backup and Restore. For your photos and videos, use Google Photos to back up your media files to the cloud. Open Google Photos, go to Settings, and select Backup and Sync to enable the feature. Make sure all your photos are backed up before proceeding. You can also back up your contacts by syncing them with your Google account. To do this, go to Settings, then Accounts, and select your Google account. Ensure the Contacts toggle is turned on for syncing. For any files stored on your device, consider using apps like Google Drive or Dropbox for additional backup. Launch your preferred file backup app and upload necessary documents and files. After ensuring all important data is backed up, double-check the backup location. Verify that your photos, contacts, and other data appear in their respective backup services. Once you're satisfied that your data is safe, you are ready to proceed with flashing your device using Odin. Confirm that everything is backed up before beginning the flashing process for peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.